Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's episode, I will be making palabok inspired by legendary palabok restaurant in Manila, Jolli Dadas Palabok, since 1940s. My adobong pusit without pork ribs. Click the link below on how to make it. Toast your smoked fish in a little oil and set it aside. Click the link below on how to make my bagnet the ilocano way. But this time, instead of deep frying in a pork belly slab, I cut into bite pieces. In a pan with annatto oil, let's saute the garlic until aromatic, followed by the onion. Cook until translucent, then add the tofu. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and freshly crushed pepper. In a food processor, crush the pork rinds and put in a sealed container and set it aside. Let's make shrimp broth. Boil the shrimp, season with salt, and boil for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove the shrimp from the pot and put in ice cold water to stop cooking. Then peel the shrimp and save the shell of the shrimp, then put back to the broth. There's still flavor in it. Set aside the filled shrimp for the next steps. Add the shell of the shrimp to the broth, followed by the head of the smoked fish. And for adding umami flavor to the broth, I put shrimp cube. Allow the broth to boil. Using potato masher, I press the smoked fish head to extract more flavors. In a container, mix the annatto seeds and lye water and set it aside. In a pan with annatto oil, fry the boiled shrimp seasoned with freshly crushed pepper. Add the water to the annatto seed and lye water mixtures. Strain the liquid and discard. Add the reserved shrimp broth to the annatto seed and lye water mixtures and extract the color from the seed. In a pan, I add minced garlic and saute until aromatic. Followed by the onion until translucent. Then add the potato starch. You can also use cornstarch. Toast good the potato starch so the shrimp gravy or palabok sauce will not taste like flour. Then add the shrimp broth. While it's still cold, the broth, add the extracted annatto water. When the broth is boiling, I added the crab paste. This is an optional if you are using raw shrimp with head, especially if you are cutting your cholesterol intake. Season with fish sauce. And to extend the life of the shrimp gravy or palabok sauce, I added vinegar. To enhance the shrimp flavor, I added crushed shrimp crackers. Season with freshly crushed peppers and salt based on your likings, but for me, no need to add salt. It's already flavorful. Boil water, then add the palabok noodles. I can't find excellent brand rice stick, but if you can find this brand, it is much better to use. Cook the rice stick noodles until tender, then strain the water and set aside.
Tender!
Let's assemble our palabok inspired by Jolli Dadas Palabok in Manila. Here's my palabok inspired by Jolli Dadas Palabok house in Manila since 1940s. Let's eat guys with this palabok ala Dadas Palabok in Quiapo. Smells good. I think they don't have like this. I just added. With Bagnet. Still crunchy. Guys, try this recipe. It's really good. See? I also packed some palabok for my CC9s.
Hello! Titikman po natin yung napakasarap na palabok ni Ate B. Salamat, Ate! lasang-lasa yung pusit. Sarap. Try niyo po yung palabok ni Ate B. Sarap po. Thank you!
If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again next time. Take care and bye!